It is 88 degrees outside right now, but the temperature feels like 101. It's crazy. Oh my god, there's so much heat coming out of that. Yeah, it's cold and sweaty. It's warm, it's working great. Looks like the weed got a little bit under control when we left. It's not like this. Yeah, the LG just sound a little bit happy, but it's working okay. Yep. Yeah. And here is my furnace running in cool mode. It's working great too. What do you want? Want to be in the video? My gosh, he's fat. Yeah. Let's run that real quick. Let's see. In December, this thing will be stuff like 6 years. I actually cannot believe this furnace is getting that old. Alright, thanks for watching.